Oh, so Jean, Nora, and who else was in the, so we had the raffle for the Thanksgiving gift cards, and Mary and Marcel won. So I'm gonna give Mary and Marcel, I'll let you know where you're going to go. Where you're going to go. To pick up your your gift cards. I'll find out and then I'll let you know.
Miss Yolanda, I can see where anyway they
What?
in the evening anyway in this weekend.
Where?
Yes, I can see tomorrow, the Wednesday, Thursday.
About what?
Oh, for just your question is one day I can see go to the pick up my gift.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I say I can see any day.
Who said that?
For the raffle.
Yeah, but where did you read that? Are you asking me where you should go to pick it up?
Yes.
No, I'm gonna find out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, that I'm gonna
Okay.
find out where you are gonna go to pick it up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. But I think they're gonna hand them out the week before Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna give the Student Services Department your information, and then they will either contact you or find a way to give it to you, but I'll find out. Okay, let's
Okay,
go ahead.
thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go ahead and open File Explorer and open your Word folder. Word folder. Okay. So if you open your Word folder, on Thursday, we created a file in Notepad where we wrote our name. And we also created a file in WordPad. In WordPad, we typed our name and then we inserted the date. So you can see them in your Word folder in OneDrive. You can see the rich text. The rich text has a file name extension, RTF, and the text file. The text file has a file name extension .txt. So I don't know if you remember, but go ahead and open the text file, the one that says text file.txt. This is Notepad. And this is the one that is just plain text. No pictures, no shapes. I don't think there are any colors either. No, wait, let me see. Are there colors? Well, no colors. Just different types of fonts. You can get bold, bold oblique, or just oblique, and then you can change the size of the font. So that's Notepad. You don't get nothing else with Notepad. All you can do in this application is enter text. So let's go ahead and close the Notepad, the text file, .txt. Any questions about that?
I come late, and if you can help me.
Say that again.
I come late. If you can help me to understand.
Oh, I said to go to File Explorer, open File Explorer, and open your Word folder.
My classes.
What?
The
File Explorer, open File Explorer, and open your Word folder.
Miss
file
Yolanda,
is-
Yes.
yes, sir,
I open OneDrive.
What, Patricia?
yes, only one question. When you click, when you say click Control A is for cover the name and date, right? When you say
No.
Control A after
When did I
the
say that? When did I say that?
last week when we write the name and date
Uh-huh.
and click Control A, is for when you want to change the size and color, everything.
No,
Hola,
Control A selects
Hola,
everything
hermanita,
on the,
perdone, yo
in the
no podía llegar.
document.
Tengo un
Okay.
examen, tengo algo.
Clara, mute your microphone, please.
No puedo
We can
estar.
hear you. We
Estoy
can hear
recibiendo
you
una clase
talking on
por
your
Zoom.
phone. Come on, class, come on. We can all do better than that. Let's mute our microphones. We don't want to hear your private conversations. Go ahead, Jean, go ahead. What did you have to say?
So I open Computer Basic 2.
I said, open File Explorer and
Yes.
open your Word folder.
My Word folder. Okay.
Patricia, I don't remember when we did Control A. And I don't know what we did after that. But what Control A does, it is selects everything in the document. Control A.
Okay.
But it has nothing to do with what we're looking at right now, Control A. We're just looking at the what Notepad is used for, and then now we're going to open what WordPad is used for, okay?
Okay, but my question is, when you want to change the size, for example, or different kind of letter, you should click over the word,
You must select, yes.
select.
But
Okay,
we are going to
select.
get to that. We're going to get to that. We are getting, as soon as we finish with file name extensions, we are going to go to entering and formatting text in Microsoft Word.
Thank you.
Okay, let me share this
Miss
again.
Miss
Yes,
Yolanda, I noticed
Go ahead.
this, what you say, test file text. I see notepad.txt file,
you see what?
notepad.txt file. And
Did you open it?
under that, rich file.
Share your screen, please.
Okay, thank you.
You finish with me?
You opened your Word folder?
Yes.
Okay. So 1 second.
Mhm.
Hey, I thought you were gonna share your screen.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I see not part dot text line and this one.
You're
And
not
this
showing,
one?
you're not even showing your file name extensions.
Yeah,
Click
this file.
Click your view tab. Click your view tab on the ribbon.
Another one. View tab. Okay.
Go to the show hide group.
Show high group.
Remember, the group names are at the bottom of the ribbon.
Yeah.
Look at the bottom of the ribbon, the bottom of the ribbon. You're looking at the top of the ribbon.
You're right.
You see where it says panes?
Yeah.
And then go to the other group. The other group says layout.
Layout.
The other group says current view.
Yeah, show here.
Show hide. Okay,
Yes.
in the show hide group, look for file name extensions. File name extensions. Look for it.
Up.
Click on it.
I
Click your
click.
view tab again. Click your view tab. Okay, so you clicked on it because we can see file name extensions.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and click the view tab because
View tab.
you should always
And
go to the
this.
right. Go to the right where you close the window.
Yeah.
And right below the X. Go to the right where you close the window. Put your
This
mouse
fi-
pointer on the, yeah, you have to click that. Click
File.
file extensions, yeah. Now go to the right where you close the window. The X, go to the right to the X, right below the X, no. Right below the X, click that arrow. Move your mouse down a little bit. Okay, so now you can always see your ribbon. Okay, so now click the not pad. Click the not pad.
Down.
Click
This
it.
one.
Yes. No, I didn't say right click.
No, not like. Only I click it. When I click it, I this come in this one.
Just click once. Okay.
Once.
Double click now. Right there in the box. In the box.
Yeah. In the box.
Click it again. Click it again.
Here.
Once. Yes.
Once.
Then click again once. Click on the words. Click on the words. The words not pad.
What?
No. Go back to the file. The one that says not pad. Click on it once,
This one is.
then click again.
When I click 2 times, it's coming this one.
Yes, ask.
Because of the way you have it. You have the file name extension, and then to the right of the file name extension, you have something else. That's why it keeps doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, click away to get rid of that. Now right click on notepad. Right click. Right click.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, now,
But,
but only click when I say to click. Now use your backspace to delete all of, no, I didn't say to click
Backspace.
that.
Here.
No, listen to
no,
me.
because you
No.
click it. Why you click
No,
it?
yeah, just listen to what I'm asking you to do, okay?
Okay.
So click on it again, once,
Here once.
yes.
Then
Click one more time, once. Stop clicking. Don't leave your mouse. Now type
Yeah.
text file. T E X T
Again.
T
P.
T
Yeah.
as in Tom. T as in
Yeah.
Tom.
Mm-hmm.
T as in today.
Yeah.
Remove the P and put a T.
T again.
Yes.
T.
Space
Space.
file. F-I-L-E. File.
Mhm.
F-I-L-E. Okay, click away.
Click.
Click away from that in a white space, white where there's nothing. Okay. Oh, it doesn't
It
didn't
doesn't show.
change it.
Mm.
Mhm.
It doesn't show the,
This one.
Click
Text
on it.
file.
Click on it. Double click it. Okay, with this, click Notepad. Come over here to this thing that has that list.
notepad.
Click Notepad,
This
Notepad.
one.
Yes,
Yeah, click.
This one.
yes. Then click OK.
Okay.
Click OK. Okay. So now you can close it. The problem was, yeah, close it. The problem, oh, it's still not getting
Still
a
the same.
file name
Yeah.
extension.
It's still the same.
Okay. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's gonna be a problem. Okay. So that's it. We're just looking at those two, rich
File.
and the text file. So stop sharing. So we've been talking about the file name extension, right? And how
I don't have a notepad.
and how it's important for the operating system to be able to see the file name extensions. The problem with what Faya had was that she typed something where to the right of the file name extension, and she changed the type of file. So the computer don't know, although it opens a notepad, the computer is confused. So that's why whenever she clicked on it, it was saying, open with what? Because the computer needs to know the file extension. The operating system needs to know the file name extension so that it can connect it with the correct application.
You're cutting.
What's that? Nigatu?
Recognize, you say recognize.
Miss Yolanda, you're cutting.
Oh.
You're cutting.
Oh, I'm connected with my
Yeah,
cable.
because
Yeah.
I'm connected with my cable. I don't know what's where's my,
Now it's okay.
it's okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So when there's no file name extension, or if you write to the right of the file name extension, you are changing the type of file. So you're not supposed to, after the .txt, you don't write anything else to the right of that because you're going to confuse the operating system. The operating system won't know what to open the file with. So that's why that little box with all of those different applications kept popping up, because there was other text combined with the file name extension. And that's a big problem. And now the operating system doesn't know what file name extension to apply to that file. So that's a problem that we might have to just delete the file and create another one so that it doesn't create a problem for the operating system. Okay, so Jean,
Mhm.
let me show you what we did with showing our File Explorer. When we opened our File Explorer, we talked about the two files that we created last Thursday evening, why we stayed late creating these two files, the rich text.rtf and the text file .txt. We opened the file. Mute your microphone, please.
Yeah, I'm going to.
We opened the text file .txt and we saw what we typed in there on Thursday. And you can see it's Notepad. That's the program that we use to write this. And
Don't
we
have that one.
said that Notepad, you can only write text in Notepad. If you click Format and you click Font, all you can do is change the type of font that you use, change the font style, and change the font size. That's all you can do in Notepad. No pictures, no shapes, no colors, nothing but text.
So we click on format.
Yes. And then click font. And there's nothing else. That's all you can do in
Notepad.
So go ahead and close Notepad now. So everyone now, open rich text.rtf. Go ahead and open it. And it opens in Word. It's gonna open in Word every time because it is set to open in Word by default. So let's close this. Let's close the rich text and let's go back to File Explorer. Now we're gonna right click.
No.
How did that happen? Now we're gonna right click rich text.rtf, right click. We're gonna change it so that it will open in WordPad. Go all the way down to the bottom and click Properties.
Oh.
Did everyone see Properties? It's the last thing at the bottom of the shortcut menu. Anyone had a problem with that?
Me?
Who?
Me, Maria.
What's the problem?
I couldn't find.
You couldn't
Right
find
click.
what?
I went to Flores file. Flores file. What do you say? I had to go?
You
Tell
have
me
to
again.
open your Word folder in
Oh.
OneDrive.
Oh, okay. On OneDrive, okay. Which one you say, Miss Yolanda?
Did you open your Word folder?
Yes. Oh, Word folder, hold on. I just opened Word folder, OneDrive. I have to go here, here. Okay, now I open Word. Which one I have to open it?
Rich.
Okay, look for richtext.txt.
Okay. Then
You
open.
see it? You
Yes.
see it? No, I didn't
Yes.
say to open it.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I see.
If you opened it, close it.
Yeah, I close it.
Okay, now right click, rich text format. I mean, rich text.rtf, right click,
Okay.
and go to the bottom of the list and click properties.
Okay. I got it. And
Okay,
now,
so we get the properties window for the rich text RTF file.
yes.
As you can see, there are 4 tabs: general, security, details, and previous versions. We want to remain on the general tab.
the
Below, you
general-
can see there's the word icon, and in the box, it says richtext.rtf.
Yes, that's I saw that.
Below that, it says type of file, rich text format.rtf.
Yes.
And then below that, it says open with, and it says Word.
Yes.
It shouldn't be opening with Word, but it's set as a default to open with the Microsoft Word application.
Oh, okay.
But it's not a Microsoft Word application. It's WordPad.
Mhm.
So to the
WordPad.
right, to the right of that, click change,
Okay.
click change,
Okay.
and then
More apps. maybe.
yeah, Maria, just listen, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. How do you want to open RTF files from now on, right? So it says, keep using this app, Word. And then we
Okay.
have other options. Go down to the bottom where it says more apps
Okay.
and click more apps. Maria, stop, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, so click more apps and then scroll down until you see WordPad. Scroll down until you see WordPad.
What tab?
WordPad. W-O-R-D, capital P-A-D. WordPad.
I don't have it.
You need to scroll.
I have a notepad.
Scroll down. Scroll down.
Okay, WordPad, yes. Mhm.
Does everyone see WordPad? Anyone not seeing WordPad? Okay, click WordPad, everyone. Click WordPad. And then click OK. Then you go back to that little window, and at the bottom, click Apply.
Apply.
And then click OK.
So wrong.
And now let's try to open the rich. You see the icon changes. It's not a Word, Microsoft Word icon anymore. So let's go ahead and double click it to open it. And you see it opens in WordPad. So now every time you open a WordPad document, it will open in WordPad because we have changed the default. Okay, let's go ahead and close.
When we click apply, we click on I click OK.
What?
After click on apply.
So
Click
you
OK.
click OK, yeah. Then open the file. The file, yeah.
Anyone has a question about this? I know this might be a little confusing. Changing the default of how you open a WordPad, but we needed to do that so that whenever you create something in WordPad, it will always open in WordPad instead of opening in Microsoft Word. We don't want that. Okay. So we are still talking about file name extensions, right? So you can see the rich text. The file name extension of that file is .rtf. And the text file, the file name extension is .txt. Let's go to the basics of Microsoft Word 2016. And you can see here on page 12, it lists all the programs on the left or the file types on the left, and on the right, you have your file name extension. So let's see, we have Word document, we have another Word template, we have Word document, we have Word template, and then we have text file. Text file is when you create something in Notepad. And it always has the .txt file name extension. Rich text format file, that's a file that you create in WordPad. And whenever you create a file in WordPad, the file name extension is .rtx. If you open your basics of Microsoft Word 2016 and you look in the title bar is going to say basics of Microsoft Word 2016 .docx. Is anyone not seeing the file name extensions? Because everyone should be seeing the file name extensions. Let me know if you're not seeing them. Okay, so the basics of Microsoft Word 2016 .docx, as you see in the title bar, you can come to the list and you can see that .docx is for Word 2010 to 2016. Word 1997 to 2003 document, that's a different file extension. The file name extension for Word 1997 2000 through 2003 is .doc. That's the older version of Microsoft Word. Remember, I said on Thursday that if you have Microsoft Word 2016, well, let's say you have Microsoft Word 2019, because that's the current Microsoft Word 2019. So you have that. And you send a document as an attachment to someone that has Microsoft Word 2003. That person is not going to be able to open your Word 2019 file because it's a different file name extension. And in order to open, they are both Microsoft Word documents, but they are not the same types. So if your friend has Word 2003 and you know it, you know that your friend has Word 2003, you can change your document to that format, to a Word 2003.doc. You can change it. We are going to do that now. So everyone should have their basic of Microsoft Word 2016 open. You want to say hello? Yeah, you want to say hello? Okay, come say hello. No, you change your mind. Okay, change your mind. Okay, no, I'm just talking to my cat. Sorry about that. So everyone has their basics of Microsoft Word 2016 open?
Yes.
Anyone has a problem opening it? I know there's someone that is not able to open it and is not telling me. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to decide if you're going to let me know. Okay, so I'm going to continue.
Miss
I
Yolanda,
need
Miss
help.
Yolanda, I can see my document, but I had to go to the little arrow to see the extension.
What's that?
To see the extension, I had to go to the arrow down, scroll down to see the extension.
Share
It
your
doesn't.
screen. Share your screen. Let me see what you're talking about.
It doesn't
Miss
show
Yolanda.
in
One
a
at a
tab.
time, please. One at a time. What are you talking about?
Over here.
Maximize your window.
Oh, I see. Thank you. But I don't see the extension.
I can't see. Drag it down a little bit. Let me see.
Only if I do like this.
Okay, click away from that. Open your File Explorer.
No, the cosa.
Maximize the window.
Click, no, shouldn't check mark.
Here. File extension name.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't check mark, that's why.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me fix this. Hold up. I'm going to request remote control. Give me remote control. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little narrower because you don't need this to be that wide. So we're
Oh,
gonna,
to see all the window.
yeah. And this one,
Go to detail, maybe detail or list content, because she said small icon. Layout.
Layout to the
No,
list.
okay, click.
Don't worry,
preview.
Miss Yolanda is doing. Nora, don't touch. Miss Yolanda is doing now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, there. Okay. So now you can see your file name extensions. Okay, that's enough. There is your rich text file .rtf, and there's your text file .txt.
Hmm?
Your text file .txt and your rich file .rtf. Okay, I'm gonna give up remote control. Is there something else I'm forgetting to do here?
No,
No, I
because
think
that's
I-
what, yeah, that's it, yeah.
Okay, you can
Thank you.
stop sharing. Mhm,
Thank you.
mhm. Someone else had a problem?
I think so. Who
Yeah,
was
I have
asking?
problem.
What is
I was
it?
on mute.
Can I share my screen?
Go ahead, share your screen.
When I go to File Explorer,
Maximize it, please. Mhm.
here the text fine.
You
No,
didn't create the RTF. Oh, you didn't give it the correct name.
Yeah, he
Oh,
gave
no, he didn't create the
rich,
TXT.
yeah, he did. Oh, no,
No, he didn't.
yes, he
They're
didn't,
both
yes.
RTF.
RTF, yes.
because
Okay.
I do it, I don't know if you go to computer 2.
No, you didn't. Okay, so what was the question?
So my question is that
File,
my question was to because I didn't see the text file. The first one, T with notepad.
Yeah, you don't have it.
yeah, text file .txt.
Okay, go ahead, stop sharing so that we can get this done tonight. You could work with Nigatu later to create
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what we are going to do with our, Jean, open your basics of Microsoft Word 2016, please.
Mhm.
From File Explorer.
Not from Schoology.
Schoology.
You already downloaded it and saved it. So don't do it again. Okay, so we're going to convert our basics of Microsoft Word 2016. We're going to convert it to both a .txt and a .rtf. Okay, let me come back here to the document where it says there are many different types of file name extensions in many different categories. The most common file name extensions are related to programs that are used regularly, like Microsoft Office applications, like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, picture files, music files, and other programs that we use all the time. Some file name extensions.
Hold on, I'm gonna do Mr. It's okay. Okay, I did.
Thank you. Some file name extensions are compatible. Remember I said compatible, like two people that get married. They get married because they are compatible. They get along with each other. And it's the same with files on your computer. They are people that you cannot stand, right? And you would never talk to them. So in computer language, those files are not compatible. You cannot put them together because they are not compatible. Only people that you like do you talk to. So that means that you are compatible with certain people, but you're not compatible with some other people. The same with files. Some files are compatible with some other files, some are not. So we are going to save the basics of Microsoft Word 2016.
Looking where it is. The
We
sound
shouldn't have
comes.
to go through this all for 2 hours every night. We should not have to go through this class. When I'm in a Zoom meeting, I make sure that I'm muted. I don't keep my microphone on so that everyone in the meeting can hear my phone ringing, can hear my kettle whistling to tell me that the water is boiling, or to hear the people outside talking outside my window. I don't do that. I don't keep my microphone on. If I have to say something, I turn on my microphone, I say what I have to say, and immediately I turn off my microphone. That is what you call having respect for the people you are having this meeting with. And you show a lack of respect when you don't mute your microphone and you know that there is noise in your background, there are things happening in your background. That's a total lack of respect. If you ask me. Okay, so let's see if we can get this finished tonight. So I was saying that we're going to save this Basics of Microsoft Word 2016. And we're going to change it in another file type. For instance, we're going to save it first in a Microsoft Word 2003 format, so that you can see how you can, if you know someone doesn't have Microsoft Office 2019, you can change it to, if you know that they have Microsoft Office 2003, you can change it. So let's go ahead and click File. Click Save As. Click Browse. And we're saving it in our Word folder. So by this point, in the class, we're almost finished the semester. No, actually, we are midway, actually. So everyone should know how to get to how to open their Word folder. So to go ahead and open your Word folder. You'll know that it's your Word folder is open when you look in the address bar and you see that Word is the last folder. Then we're going to go down to the file name. You can see the file name is Basics of Microsoft Word 2016.docx. And below the file name, it says Save as Type. In that box, it says Word document.docx. So if you were to save it just like this, it would just save as a .docx. But go ahead and click where it says, to the right of where it says Save as Type, click that. And all of those different file types that you see, when you click the Save as Type, all of those are compatible with Microsoft Word .docx. You can see you have .docm. You have Word 97 2003. So that's what your friend has. So you would click that. Click Word 97 through 2003 document .doc. Go ahead and click it. And you can see, look in your file name box now. And now your file name is Basics of Microsoft Word 2016.doc. It's not .docx anymore. Let's go ahead and save it. Now you get this message, Microsoft Word compatibility checker. So your operating system must do a compatibility checker, right?
Mr. Anna,
Yes.
okay. So when we open save as type, so we can save it in Word 97 2003.
Yes.
2003 or 2003 template.
No, not template.
Okay, document.
Here, let me see.
Okay. Marcel, share.
Yes.
Share. She's waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay, you see where it
Yes.
says Save as Type?
Save as type.
Go to the right of that where it says Word document and click that.
Okay.
Yes, Word 97 to 2003 .doc. Go ahead and
Okay.
click it.
Okay.
See now, you look in the file name box. Now it says Basics of Microsoft Word 2016.doc. It doesn't say .docx anymore.
Okay. Now
Okay, and click Save. And now you get the, don't click anything. Now you get the compatibility checker. So this is the operating system telling you that the following features in this document are not supported by earlier versions of Word. These features may be lost or degraded. Degraded meaning that it was reduced when you save this document in an earlier file format. Click continue to save the document. No, I'm reading.
Oh,
Click.
Okay, stop sharing. Stop sharing.
okay.
Okay, let me do it again. Okay, let me save it in my. Word folder. Word folder. Then I click this. Then I click this. Then I click. Notice there's the Word folder is empty now. And that is because you don't have any .docx files. If you had any .docx files, that's all you would see there. You wouldn't see anything else that you have in your Word folder. So I click save. And we get the compatibility checker. So I was reading, these features may be lost or degraded when you save this document in an earlier format. So that means if you're saving a 2019 Word document to a 2003 document, things that you have in the 2019 are not going to show. And it has the list of all the things that are not going to show in the 2003 document when you change it. And it tells you here, these features may be lost or degraded when you save this document in an earlier format. Click continue to save the document. To keep all of your features, click cancel, and then save the file in one of the new file formats. So this is the summary and how many times it happens, right? Content controls will be converted to static content. I can't explain that. Some text box positioning will change. There are 12 instances of that. Shapes and text boxes will be converted to effects available in only the .doc format. And the last one is effects on text will be removed. 12 occurrences. Shapes and text boxes, there are 241 occurrences of that. That is going to change. So let's click continue. Everyone go ahead and click continue. And now you can look at the file tab, the title bar. Look at the title bar. Now it's Basics of Microsoft Word 2016.doc. And now you can scroll through your document. You can see immediately that it has changed. It's not the same. This is not the same as the original document. Things are out of place. Text boxes, certain text everything, not everything, but a lot of things are just out of place. So let's go ahead and close this. And go
Yolanda,
back. Yes,
I don't have the same name. Because I have the basic of Microsoft Save on the top,
what?
but I don't see. I see
Repeat
the
what
name
you
of
have.
the file. I see
Repeat
the,
what
I
you
see the
have.
name. I see the name of the file on the top, basic of Microsoft, but I don't see the
Maximize your window, maximize your
maximize,
window. You're not going to see when the window is not maximized, you're not going to see the same things as when the window is maximized. When the window is maximized, you see everything. If it's not maximized, it only shows a few things.
Okay,
Go
okay,
ahead and
okay.
share your screen.
So I maximize. Okay, it's okay now. All option is there. I see basic.
Yeah, you
of
can see, you
Microsoft
can look
Word.
in your document. You can look in your document and see how it has
Yes.
changed.
Yeah, it's changed. It changed.
Yeah. Mhm,
Okay, thank you.
mhm. Okay, let me stop recording.